how to save Snapchat picture to gallery. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can save the pictures from Snapchat to your gallery. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to open your Snapchat app. Okay, so now from here you will have to check your settings of your Snapchat. So simply for that you will have to click on this profile icon just at the top left corner of your screen. So simply tap on it. And from here you'll have to go for the settings which will appear on this top right corner of your screen. So simply tap on this settings, and from here you have to scroll down and find the options like memories. So simply tap on this memories, and from here you can see the save button. It is on the save destination section, so simply click on this save button option. So in your case, if this was set to this memories only, change it on memories and camera roll. So after you make the changes from here, you'll have to back from here. And after that, when you take a snap on Snapchat, you will get the options to save it directly to your gallery. So simply from here, you can click on this save option just at the bottom left corner of your screen. So simply click on this save option. Okay, so this snap picture has been saved to my gallery. So like you can see, this picture has been saved to my gallery. Alright, now you can see the picture I have been taken from Snapchat. It's directly saved to my gallery. So likewise, you can also save the picture from your Snapchat to gallery. So this much. If this video was helpful to you, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.